Hey, John Crestani here. Now, I'm going to be showing you in this video how to make passive income with $1,000. And it's very simple, and I make thousands of dollars a day. I have some of my commission reports up here, which total multiple thousands of dollars a day. And I'm going to show you how I've done it and also explain to you how you can make passive income with just $1,000 starting today. So let's get into it. So let's get it. Okay, so the first step to making passive income with $1,000 is you want to shoot videos that sell something. If a picture tells 1,000 words, a video tells 1,000 pictures. So you shoot videos once and they can make you money long term. And I have an example of this up on my screen. I shot 2 videos that show up on YouTube and it still makes me anywhere from $150 to $350 passive income recurring every single day. Now, you don't need a fancy setup to get started with video marketing. You can literally use your phone and just buy an $80 light setup to make it look good. You know, both of my lights that I use in my office are both $40 from Home Depot. Now, whatever you pick to sell that provides value, shoot videos that provide value too. So for instance, if I picked a weight loss product to sell, a product that helps people lose weight, such as, let's say, Nutrisystem, you want to shoot videos that have weight loss advice. Again, 80% value, 20% selling. Now, at the end of every video, after you've given people helpful advice and added value to their lives, you can have a call to action towards what you are selling. Then link them back. Link them back to an affiliate link or a squeeze page that redirects them to your affiliate funnel. And this will also help build your list that you'll also be using to send traffic or send people or prospective customers to the product that you're selling. Now, step number 2 is you can use some of that money that you get from selling those products to pay for SEO. Now, the videos that you're shooting and putting up on YouTube, you can take some of that money and put it into SEO, which means search engine optimization, meaning you get better rankings and show up to more people who search for your subject matter in YouTube or Google or Bing or wherever else people look. For instance, I'm highly ranked for ClickFunnels. And just what this means is that your videos show up when people search for them. Now, you can easily outsource your whole YouTube operation to the Philippines for $5 an hour or even less. You can use your outsourced staff to pick keywords for you, design your thumbnails, edit your videos, outline your videos, whatever you need. And most importantly is they can upload your videos and use best practice SEO, search engine optimization, for your videos so they actually rank. And the more videos you make, the more money you make. When a certain topic isn't working very well, simply make less videos about that topic. And when a topic is working well, simply make more videos about that topic. For instance, I have ClickFunnels up here. I rank highly for the term ClickFunnels in YouTube and in Google for people looking to learn more about this particular software program that over 100,000 people use. Because I show up high in search rankings, I've been able to make hundreds of dollars a day from a video that I shot almost 2 years ago. So it all adds up. And if you put out a video a day like I have, you end up ranking for many different terms. I rank high for affiliate marketing and all different sorts of products and software related to making money online. And this has created a passive income stream of thousands of dollars a day for me and my business. I also use an outsourced staff in the Philippines to do much of the work because actually all of this is actually just a side business for me. I enjoy teaching and it just adds an extra couple $1,000s a day to what I already make in my main business. Now, the third step you can take is using some of that money that you're making from putting up videos and ranking high and being an affiliate or selling products. Use some of that money to pay for advertisements. So this is where the big money comes in, and this is where I've made my big money. The videos can also have ad spend injected into them to earn even more. You can buy YouTube ads so that your videos get in front of more potential customers. You can even put the videos on a Facebook fan page and advertise on there. Now that you've shot one video, and that video can make money in 3 different ways. You'll also be building up an audience, or what we call in advertising a retargeting list, so that you can continue connecting with this audience that is interested in weight loss products or online softwares such as ClickFunnels, and you can connect with them in cheaper ways for cheaper conversions. The money you make from these free strategies can be used to fund the paid strategy of advertising. And this lets you get to $1,000 a day really fast. And you can go really far with this strategy of simply posting relevant content, adding value, pitching a product, and making money from it. So I hope this has been helpful. And I use all of these strategies in my business. My main business is based off of actually advertising on TV and on YouTube. I have various training programs teaching people how to make money working from home. And I believe the future of education is online. So I try to teach it. All of these strategies, I've done YouTube. I've built an audience there. I outsource to the Philippines. They outline many of the topics that I talk about. They do my thumbnails. They do a lot of that stuff. And this allows me to be highly efficient in my business and get the most bang for my buck. My main business makes tens of thousands of dollars per day. And I live a very simple lifestyle because I believe the goal of getting money is actually saving it and keeping it. So I try to keep as much of it as possible. And I try to also give my time and volunteer my time on YouTube as a service, not without obviously making lots of money doing so. So I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below if there's a future topic or something you'd like to ask me. I like responding to questions. And also, if you want to ask me a question and for sure get answered, come on my Monday live streams. Every Monday morning around 9 a.m. when I wake up, I do like to do a live stream and talk to every one of you. So feel free to subscribe. But if you want to just start working with people right now, I encourage you, you can get my training program. There should be a link down in the description, or join our free community on Discord. We have a community on Discord where you can chat about anything marketing related, affiliate, Amazon FBA, drop shipping, apps, all different sorts of ways to make money no matter what age you are, no matter what country you're from. I'm just trying to help spread the love. So thank you again for watching. Have a good day and see you tomorrow.